comparing smart agricultural technology for unlocking potentials and tackling emerging challenges. So nowadays in Bangladesh, we have a great challenge about dengue, and we know that parasite, especially mosquito, is a problem, and it is a vector-borne disease. So actually, this program is actually veterinary, biotechnology, and bioinformatics, but mainly we will discuss about different vector-borne disease and parasite. So here I am Chairman Professor Dr. Muhammad Mehdi Hasan Khan, Chairman of Biochemistry and Chemistry Science Agriculture University, and my co-chair Mahfouzul Islam, Chairman of Medicine, and my deputy chair is Kazi Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Chairman of Animal and Fish Biotechnology. So normally we have 10 minutes time. So among these, one speaker will get 8 minutes and 2 minutes question and answer. And there is a guest speaker, he will get 15 minutes. So I request, if it is available, Professor Dr. Krishna Das Manandar, Central Chairman of Biotechnology, Tirupur University from Nepal.